Students, today I am going to teach you the chapter Days to Remember, Unit 7. In this, we will learn the importance of some days. Like we are having our birthdays, that is very important. Similarly, some days are important in social importance. Social importance in society. First is World Literacy Day, that is celebrated on January 8th. Literacy of everyone should be our motto. Then Army Day. In this day reminds us of the sacrifices made by the soldiers of our country. That is January 15. World Religion Day. In this we will learn we have number of religions in this world. All religions speak of love, unity and brotherhood. We should respect every religion, and World Religion Day is celebrated on January 17th. All of you know Republic Day, that is on January 26th. National Science Day. That is importance of science in our day-to-day life, that is February 28th. We have to learn all these dates, and like this we have to learn when is World Literacy Day celebrated. You will write January 8th. You have to learn these dates. Then next is International Women's Day. We should respect every woman. She should be protected also. That day is March 8th. World Day of Water. Existence of life is based on water. Water is very important in our life. That is March 22. World Health Day. Importance of having good health. That is April 7th. Earth Day. All of you know Earth is our home. We call Mother Earth. It is our duty to protect our Mother Earth. So it is celebrated on 22nd April. Child Labor Abolition Day. We should fight for it that the child should not be compelled to work. Child labor should be abolished. That is on April 28th. It is called Child Labor Abolition Day. Next is International Labor Day, Workers Day. All we are having many laborers, servants, all are under labors. That is known as Workers Day. That is celebrated on 1st May. We should give them due respect. Anti-Tobacco Day. We should fight against smoking, against using of tobacco. That is 31st May. World Environment Day. Protection of environment is very crucial to the existence of life on the earth. That is on June 5. Anti-Drug Day. Anti means we should say no to drugs. They destroy the physical and mental health of a person. So, Anti-Drug Day is June 26. World Diabetes Day. Diabetes, you know, when you are suffering from diabetes, that is a sugar, many are having level of sugar is increasing or decreasing, that is known as diabetes. Diabetes is a lifestyle disease. We can prevent it just by exercising more and eating healthy food. Daily exercise is very important and healthy food is important. That is June 27th. Independence Day, all of you know, we got freedom from the foreign powers. That is celebrated on 15th August every year. Next is Teachers Day. You know, teachers play a very important role in the life of student. They are the nation builders. That day is celebrated on September 5. World Animal Welfare Day. We have to protect the animals. That is celebrated on October 4. Children's Day. That is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He used to love children a lot. Therefore, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November. World AIDS Day. AIDS is a growing threat to human existence. This is a disease that is celebrated on that we are World Health Day is on December 1st. Similarly, Farmers Day. Farmers should be respected in our society. So that day is on December 23rd. With this, I am going to finish the chapter. So you read it thoroughly and learn the dates and question answers and back exercise I will upload on the campus care. Thank you, students.